tiny white star running at full speed.
Oh my gosh, they are crossing. I'm gonna tell you right now, those rocks are slippery. Oh. Yeah, we tried once. We used to have similar flagstone in our garden when we had a house. Oh, the turtles, the turtles, the turtles. Hold on, hold on. They're all swimming today. There's one down there. She's looking. She was looking. Oh, there's two. Let's see if I can zoom in. You wanna go to the waterfall? Wiggs, you wanna go to the waterfall? Let's go to the waterfall. Well, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. I'm really surprised. I mean, it's busy, but I thought it was going to be super busy because this weather is, it's absolutely perfect. But as you can see, we are back again at this park, trying to soak up as much as we can of this park before we have to move, because it is just so really nice to be here. It's like we like this park better than our other parks now. But wanted to soak up as much of this as we could. And as you can see, she is still all over the map. So many smells, so many areas to check out, so much curiosity. A lot of water, a lot of turtles. I'm sure a lot of other creatures come here because it's a big watering hole for nature. And then, of course, I'm sure there are a lot of other dogs that come here. And eventually she'll get to that point where she'll want to walk. Oh, no, no, no. Ooh, no, no, no. Ugh, leave that. And I think she's getting there. We've spent the past, 15 minutes before I even started recording just so she could stand around and sniff. Because that's her game. What's her jam? The Sniffmeister. Oh, I'm getting there. Oops. Okay, we have another dog ahead. Oh, you're focusing on squirrel. Come on, Wiggs. Good girl. No, we're not going to go up in there. No, I'll never get you out. And only Lord knows what's in there. Come on, babe. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. No, no, no. No, no, no. Not back that way. No, no, no. Good girl.